some water. Each day. This next song is called All Screws Are Bastards. I want you to do me a favour here. When I say ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. ASAB, what's that stand for? ASAB, what's that stand for? Let's hit it. Yeah. Got no name, just your number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? I'm locked up and I'm chewing and taking screws like me in the morning screaming, get your breakfast! Thinking of shit, but it's still have to eat it. Cause that's stuff they get, that shit, that's all there is. This incarceration, it's frustration. There's no living in jail, this masturbation. Can't even get rid of a female screw. If I tried, then I want the bitch to tell me, fuck you! What am I gonna do to pass a twin? Give me some paper and I'll read down a couple of rings. When I get released, I'll be right to the door. I'll give her good sex that she never had before. I'll do anything to get into this place, but I have to sit there for my release date. I hate the government and I hate the state. Every Lord, the boss is make or play. I'm a quicker than this, don't give a fuck. I'm not afraid of doing cuts to go and lock me up in your jail with no bed, just shoot the hell. Sitting in the 7.12 and said, oh well, I did the crime. I am doing the time. I'm crossing the line, but I'm not mine, cause I'm doing fine. Never saw what else is going under. I got the name here, just a fucking number. I ain't got no name, just a number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. Ain't got no name, just a number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. I can't sleep, my bed's like a rock. I'm tossing and turning all around the clock, but I got a picture of his wind blow. So I told her to kiss it over and I said, cheerio! Oh fuck, I wanna blow this shit. Roll up a split to forget that I'm locked up in the neck. Doing years, but I have to get used to it. While I'm here, so cheers as I go on a sip of that homemade hooch. Then I hit the record for a couple of games of floor for an hour or two. It's the same routine every day, every night. Coming in and out of here now, how can we know? I'm trying to hold my friends out. Cause no one gives a shit about your ass when your ass is locked up behind bars. If I'm in a fight, I'm in a coffin night. And if the 40 get old, my brother see they look. And them screws that be keeping my ass up on foot. Rattling like who's banging on the blue light. I'm too addicted. I have to wear a kit, a still short blue jeans and a PS vest. I'm an animal wood, cause you treat me like one. And the schools in the jail, they ain't nothing but scoring. Now the damage is door, my ass is going under. I got a name, just a fucking number. I ain't got no name, just a number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. I ain't got no name, just a number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. Here comes the last verse. I got a toilet in this prison just to pot the piss and I'm sick of fucking living in this fucking dirt shit and the fucking hood and I wish that I could push me and I could be with the board that I'm with. Yeah. She visits me but it isn't enough, this shit's tough sometimes it gets rough, dog rough. I'm about to dream that I'm free, but then I open up my eyes to this fucked up scene. Took on my eyes to screens for 2 weeks, I had to talk to me my dad, 2 guys fucking sheets. I wish I had some decent food to eat, nothing like my mommy's cooking, now it's hard to beat. I can't wait until I'm fully free. That's the last of the boss that I'm seeing me. For the meantime now, I have to make do. I keep taking shit from these low-life squirrels. 2-3 years now, it ain't that long. Well, I'm here to get the hold my head up and be strong. And now my ass is going under. I got a name here, just a fucking number. I ain't got no name, just your number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. I ain't got no name, just your number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws are bastards. I ain't got no name, just your number. Your ass is going under. ASAB, what's that stand for? All screws up, all screws up, all screws up. Thank you.